Hi everyone! So today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute farmhouse style Christmas ornament for Rudolph and his reindeer friends. So this is Rudolph. You can see he's got the bright red nose, and so he is just a wood disc that I got from a local person I found on Facebook Marketplace actually, and each wood disc was only 50 cents. You can probably do this yourself if you have access to a saw. So I have two different ones, and you can see it's really simple. I just went out and found some sticks that look like antlers and glued on the nose, and then painted some eyes. I think it's an adorable farmhouse style ornament that would be so easy to make, and what a great gift. I really hope you try this. So it's super simple. So we're gonna get started. So to begin with, I am going to glue on, for the other reindeer, I decided to use a little jingle bell for the nose instead of the red ball because he is Rudolph and he's special. So we're going to use little jingle bells for the nose, and then I'll do the eyes and put on the antlers. So we're going to start by doing the nose. So all I'm going to use for this is hot glue. So I'm just going to put a large pile of hot glue and plop the nose down. And the same on this one. These are so simple to do, and they are so cute. And it really gives you that farmhouse style that is so great. I plan on having enough of these for all the reindeer on my tree this year. Okay, so that's the nose. And then we're going to glue on the antlers. So I decided to do some different looking antlers. So little smaller ones for him, and then larger ones for this guy. So we'll start with this guy. So again, just some hot glue. And some of these they're a little wonky because they're sticks. That's the wrong one. Should be this one. Put that in the glue. I think I actually might need a bit more. Just give that a second. Get my finger out of it. And then we'll do the other one. I really love the farmhouse style. I think it is such a nice, cozy, really just warm and cozy feel. And they're so easy to do. I have another video for farmhouse ornaments doing the simple worded signs and out of the wood discs as well, and they just turned out beautifully. Okay, so there's that guy. We'll let him dry. And now for this one. And I thought using the sticks, just pick out different sticks that have different looks. And get that glued right in. Sometimes hot glue on wood isn't the best. I'm hoping that these stick. If they don't, I will follow up with some wood glue. I've got a string there I can't get rid of. Okay, so there they are with their antlers. This one's a little on the weak side. Okay, so now for their eyes, a really simple way to do circles is to use the end of your paintbrush and just dip it in some black paint, especially for this one where it's so rough. And you can do various eyes. I think I'm just going to do little ones on this guy. like I said, these are so simple to do and they're so cute. I really, really, really hope you try them. If you gave the whole set to someone, it would be a great Christmas gift. Okay, so that's the eyes. And so for this one, with Rudolph, I drilled a hole and hung the ribbon, but I found that it was a bit busy. So what I'm going to try with this one is just to put a loop, to glue a loop down on the top and see if that gives me a little cleaner look. So I'm just going to glue it right there. And again, I'm trying to do everything all in one video here, but you would let the eyes dry before you moved on to this. So you just put the rope right into the glue and just get it where you want it. So it's a little cleaner look. For this guy, same thing, glue down. And then you just put the rope in. And like I said, I have some other farmhouse style ornament videos that are really great and really easy to do. And I really hope you check them out. And if you like these videos and my content, please subscribe. I'd really, really appreciate it. I post videos every 2 weeks and there's lots of great content to come. You don't want to miss out, so please, please, please subscribe. That would be wonderful. Okay, there we go. So, we have Rudolph and 2 of his reindeer buddies. I hope you really liked it. Okay, so I decided I wanted a little more decoration on them, so I put a little mouth on them, and now I'm going to make a little bow for this guy. So all I did was I had a piece of ribbon trim that was buffalo plaid, so I just cut a little strip, and then you just fold it in the basic shape of a bow, crossing it over in the back. And then I'm just going to take a basic needle and thread, and you want to go up through the middle, and then down through the middle again. All I'm doing is anchoring that stitch. And then I'm going to come up to the edge. And now I'm going to go right over the top and back into the middle and have the thread pull that in. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom. So over the bottom and pull the thread in, back over the top again. And I'm just pulling the thread really tight each time. And you'll see it pulls the bow in more and more. There you can see, gives you a cute little bow, and I'm going to glue it right there. So now I'll just have to tie off the thread, just put it to the back. And the way I do it is I just do a stitch, and then I put my needle through the loop to make a knot, do another stitch, put my needle through the loop again. And then I like to be extra safe, so I just cut the thread and then just open it up and tie a knot. That'll keep it good and secure, and cut off the excess. And now this little bow is ready to be glued. So I'm just going to put a drop of glue, this won't take much, and then place the center of the bow right there. And I think it just adds a little something to them, give them a little personality. Okay, so the last thing we're going to do is just put the little gleam of light in the eyes, just a little white dot, so you can see I did it on that one. So the only trick I have here for you is you want to use a dotting tool. So you just want to dip in, and then you want to do it in one shot. So and then you want to wipe it off on a paper towel. I find you can really only get one really good dot out of each one, and then you just wipe it off. So again, just dip it in and do your dot. Just adds a little life. It's well worth doing. There we go. So that's it, they're complete. I think they turned out pretty cute. You could decorate them any way you like. I think they turned out great.